Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to send an email directly from Canva. It's super simple and perfect for sharing your finished email designs. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Canva and then just go to your completed email designs like this. And then before sending it to someone else, you can send a test email to yourself. Just tap on message icon, this one, like this, and then just enter your subject line, for example test, like this, and then just tap on enter, and Canva will send a preview of your email straight to your inbox. This is great for checking layout or maybe colors, or just to check how it looks on your mobile. And if everything looks good, you are ready to send it out. Just tap on Gmail, or you can also tap on share icon, this one, and then just tap on Gmail, like this, and then make sure your Canva is already connected to your email account, and then just tap on export to Gmail, and then wait for the process, and then Canva will automatically continue to your email like this, and then just go to draft, just tap on three lines, and then just go to draft, like this, and then over here just tap on it, like this, and from here just simply type your recipient's email over here, and then just type your subject lines, and when you're done you can tap on send. And okay, that's it. You have just sent an email directly to Canva. It's quick, easy, and super convenient. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.